Hello again and welcome back to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you overcome writer's block, move from fear to flow, step out of doubt into confidence, and awaken your creativity through the simple act of writing. Today, I want to talk about one tool in our writer's toolkit that I don't know that we think about very much, but is really very important, and that is faith. Faith. We have to realize that what we are engaged in, there is never any given. There's no guarantee of success. There's no guarantee that we're going to realize the story, the poem, the idea that we hope to create. But we have to hold steady in our belief that we can do this. Success really isn't that important, our idea of what success means, but we do have to believe deeply in our process. And we realize this process through writing. By writing, we travel towards our ultimate goals, our dreams. We travel towards the realization of our ideas and our stories as we write. You never know. You can never know how your story, your novel, the poem, you never even know how the next few sentences are going to turn out. We can't know this. And what fun would it be if we could, right? If you knew what each sentence was going to be and what the story was going to be before you wrote it, you would just be copying things down. The joy, part of the joy is discovering, but the difficulty is the unknown. And to conquer the unknown, to face the unknown, to face the blank page daily requires faith. There is a faith to writing and to creating. You need to be curious. You need to be generous. And above all, you have to maintain that belief in what you are doing. Even if you don't fully understand it, you have to believe that there is a magic and an energy in what you are doing, and stick with your process. Be consistent. This is how you are going to arrive at it. This is how you're going to figure it out, by remaining open, curious, and committed to seeing your work through. Have faith and follow where it leads you. And this is the most beautiful practice of writing, is this kind of surrendering to what is being created through you, with you, of you, from you, by you. And when doubt and fear comes, write on. And when rejection comes, write on. Or as Stephen King says, he had so many rejection slips hanging on a nail on his wall that it finally fell out of the wall. So what did he do? He didn't give up. He got a bigger nail. That's what he says. He got a bigger nail to hang all the rejection slips on. So rejections, write. Busy, tired, feeling dejected, keep writing. You have to believe in what you are doing. You have to believe in your creative vision. It doesn't matter how absurd or how difficult it might feel to you. Keep believing. No one else is going to believe for you. No one else. This is the very difficult work of writing. Faith is why a very few people succeed in writing and so many others give up, because it's not something that we cultivate, our faith. You very rarely hear anyone in the writing world talk about faith. But if you talk to successful writers and artists, or I should say, if you talk to writers and artists who are practicing, who continue to work, you'll realize that faith is one of the things that they are going to recite to you. None of them creates without faith, because there is always going to be some resistance. But what makes a person continue to want to see their poems or their stories realized is their belief in what they are doing. They have faith regardless of resistance, regardless of doubt, regardless of the fear, they keep going. So swat away the negative self-talk when it comes. And when that habit of thinking of that you're not a writer, or all of this false narrative that you have, when this comes, don't believe in it anymore. You have faith in what you are doing, which is one thing you can control, which is you can control coming to the page and writing. And if you keep coming to the page gradually, your faith grows. Your faith in that you can do this. You can at least come every day and commit yourself to writing a little bit every day. And little by little, your vision is going to come. And little by little, the poems and the stories that you're writing are going to come into focus, and they're going to come into being, and you're going to grow a stack of pages, and you're going to find your voice, and that light that you have been seeing way down the road is going to come near. Look, we don't realize our writing dreams by waiting for the perfect idea, or waiting for the perfect moment, or waiting for our lives to, open up all this time around us. We realize our writing by writing. We realize our writing dream by writing into the dream. It's in the act itself that we discover what our story wants to become. Writing is a journey, one where we revise, and we get to revise. We reshape, we reimagine it as we go. We're constantly creating. You never truly know how any of this is going to turn out, not even the next sentence. And honestly, we're not supposed to know. What fun would it be if writing were predictable, right? So have faith in the creative process. Have faith in your curiosity. Have faith in this desire to write. Have faith in your love of language. Have faith in your ability to sit with yourself and put words on the page. And even when that path is unclear, even when you don't know where you're going, even when you don't know if anyone's ever going to read or care about what you write, have faith and keep writing. The magic is not the destination, it's the exploration. The energy comes from discovering your work as you create it. So stay open, stay curious, stay committed, stay devoted. See your work through. Have faith wherever it leads you. Find joy in being led. This is the beautiful heart of writing. It's the process. You create it as you go. You are in process. And when doubt arrives, write anyway. And when fear whispers, write anyway. And you feel rejected, write anyway. Exhausted, write anyway. You must believe in what you're creating, no matter how strange or how wonderful or how difficult or how uncertain. Believe it. Just keep believing, because here's a truth we don't talk about enough. Every writer, every artist feels resistance, but the ones who succeed, they practice faith, and they continue to trust their vision, even when the world doesn't see it yet. So, today, as a writing prompt, I would like you to write about faith. What does faith look like to you? Do you have faith? And do you have faith in yourself as a writer, as a creator? And if not, why? And if you write why you don't have this faith, maybe it'll help you to see that the belief that you have about yourself not being a writer is flimsy and false, and you can let that fall away. And that your practice, sitting, coming, and writing is really what makes you a writer. So, as always, you can leave your comment. You can leave this, if you write this prompt and you want to share it with me, you can leave it in the comments. You can go to devotiontowriting.com and contact me there, send it to me. I'd love to see what you're writing. I'd love it if you shared it with me. I'm here to support what you do. I know how hard it is to write I'm a writer. I come every day to the page. I know how difficult it can be. I know how much resistance is there, how frequently it meets us. So just know that I'm here to support you. Also at devotiontowriting.com, you can find the workshops, retreats, residencies that I lead that help you support your devotion to writing and to help you cultivate a writing practice. So I hope you write deeply today. I know that if you do write, you'll write beautifully, because beautiful is what you are.